folks. Hope you are doing well. We have been discussing about how to summarize categorical variables. In the previous session, we had discussed and solved the task A. Okay, we had created the tables for counts, for gender and nationality for the given data set, and we also tried to build the column charts. Fine. Now let's go to part B and see how to solve it. Now repeat part A of nationality, but recode this variable so that all nationalities that have counts of 1 or 2 are classified as other. Okay, that is to say, we had created this table for counts for nationality. Okay, I have nationality and count. Now I'm expected to code these nations with counts 1 or 2 as other. Fine. So that's quite simple. We'll go ahead and see how to do it. So to solve this problem, the basic humble if function can be used. Okay, let's see. Now we'll start with equals, the if function. Now what's the condition? The condition is if this value, okay, the count value is less than or equals to, okay, I have to code it as other. Okay, since it's text, I'll put it in quotes. Fine, I am coding that as other. Now the question is if okay, the count is greater than 2, then what has to be done? So if this condition satisfies, then print this. Else what we'll do is, else we can take whatever name is there in this cell. Fine, makes sense. So just close your parenthesis, hit enter, and just see. Okay, the count is 1 and I got other. Okay, the same thing can be applied. Just simply drag it down and down and yes. So you can see I have beautifully coded for nations which have the count of less than 2 as other, and greater than 2 you have the name of the nation. Okay, now this is fine, but what if I want to have the same thing for my entire data? Okay, so that also is quite simple. You can just insert a new column over here. Okay, and I would just write let us say nationality coded. Okay, now just beside every student, okay, I would need to know whether they are from other countries or from those nations which are giving you students in more than 2. Okay, so let's see how we'll go ahead. Now here my humble, I won't say humble, right? VLOOKUP is a mighty function. Okay, it's not a humble function, it's a mighty function. So I'll apply that mighty VLOOKUP to solve this issue. So VLOOKUP. Okay, yes, actually we look up to VLOOKUP. Okay, so VLOOKUP, and what is the lookup value? Lookup value is the nationality. And what is the table or array from where we need to look up? This is my table or array from where I need to look up. Okay, just select your table or probably your table array. That's it. Okay, and more importantly, this table has to be frozen. It cannot move. Okay, so I will freeze this entire table, and then I'll just, the next thing, the column index with which we have to match up. I have to match up with the code. So just select this code, close your parenthesis, hit enter, and just see. Okay, you got this. For USA, the count is greater than 2, so it is coded at USA, and just drag it, and you can see you get the coding. Okay, so for instance, Brazil. Okay, Brazil is giving me 2 students, so Brazil is coded as other. Okay, can you see this? So this is how we have solved this problem. Okay, here we have used both if function as well as VLOOKUP function. Hope you found this useful. If yes, spread the good word. Do share it with your friends. Okay, like it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.